upgrade, diba? That's why you take this promotion test. Okay? To upgrade your belt, your knowledge. Okay? So, go back your instructor will teach you your new lessons. Okay?
Good. Now. Good. Now. Now. Good. Now. Good. Now. Good. Now. Good.
Shot back. Self-defense number 1 for yellow belt. Take down. Sigap. Pass the face.
Good. Change foot. Now. Good. Change foot. Out and kick. Now. Good. Change foot. Now.
Left, left. Left, right, left.
And jump.
Here, go. Higher.
Baru. Attacker. Show. She jump.
Short side kick lang. Then follow up turning side. That's it. So, doon na yung sumbag. Hindi nga pa sumagot yan before you react. Self-defense yan Panyang timing. O, sige. Attack shot. O, ready shot back. O, paano kung mamata ka mo hindi?
Be sure wala siyang tuloy. Okay? When you hit the head, okay? Kung wala siyang gear, hindi makikwasan nila. Okay?
And jump. Cargando. Prince Lawrence Fresco. Okay, ikaw din sa una mo, pauna.
First day, si competition or Kirogi. So, kami announce pa ako. Kaya last year unang Kirogi sa ating set. So, yung staff first year lang si Kirogi.